Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can edit video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application. And first of all guys, if we want to edit video, we need to import the video we want to edit to the CapCut project. So you can click on import. Here you can import videos, audios, and images. And for me guys, I'm just going to choose this video. I'm going to click on open. And I'm going to add this video to the timeline. You can click on this plus icon or drag the video to add it to the timeline like this. And then I'm going to show you how we can edit the video guys. You can click on your video. And then you will be able to use the editing tools right here. You can split your video and then add beat mark and then freeze the video, reverse, mirror, rotate or crop. Okay, and then you can go to this menu. You can go to all this menu. Here you can edit your audio. You can adjust the volume and apply fade in and fade out effect, and you will be able to apply voice changer to your audio as well. And you can change the speed of your video. For example, I'm going to make it faster. I think I need to make it slower. Okay, and this is the result. And then you can add animation to your audio. Just go to the animation and you will have a lot of animations here. I'm just going to choose maybe zoom out. This is just for an example, okay? Okay, and you can customize the duration guys. You can make it longer like this, and then wait, I'm going to show you the result. Okay, and then you can do adjustment guys. You can fix the brightness and the saturation or exposure of your video or photo. I'm just going to leave it like that. Or you can go to the mask, and here we'll be able to remove background as well, but we need to manually remove the background because now if we want to use auto removal, we need to subscribe to CapCut. And you'll be able to retouch your video as well. You can make your face smoother, make your body slimmer, it's up to you. And you'll be able to use mask again. Just select the mask you want to apply like this, okay? And then let's move to this section guys. This section is for adding such as text, sticker, effect, transitions, or caption. And you will be able to apply adjustment as well right here. And here you can also add audio. I'm just going to add, for example, effect. I'm going to add this effect to my video. Okay, and this is the final result. And once you're ready to export it, you can click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit video using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.